Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Shut down the PC and unplug power, display, and all peripherals first. Wear an anti-static wrist strap or discharge static by touching a grounded metal surface. Move the case to a clear workspace with 15 to 30 centimeters of clearance around it. Remove both side panels using a Phillips #2 screwdriver or thumb screws if present. Keep screws organized in a small container to avoid losing fasteners. Locate the existing standoffs and verify they align with the motherboard mounting holes. If the motherboard is installed, lift it straight up and set it on a soft surface. Unscrew each standoff using a Phillips #2 screwdriver, turning counterclockwise until it comes free. If a standoff is rounded or seized, grip it with needle nose pliers and turn slowly to avoid stripping. Install replacement standoffs, matching the thread standard 6-32 or M3 in the required positions. Position the motherboard over the standoffs and align all mounting holes carefully. Fasten the board using appropriate screws, applying moderate finger pressure then a short quarter turn with a screwdriver. Use screws in all mounting points, which can be up to 9 for standard ATX boards. Verify there is no metal-to-metal contact between traces and the case, inspecting under the board visually. Reinstall panels, reconnect power and peripherals, then power on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.